Hi, I'm Diana. I feel like it's Christmas because I got something I've always wanted my whole life, a metal detector.
I was given this in return for this video.
So I'm going to go over some of the features and you can decide if this is a fit for you. I'm going to take it out for a test drive. You can see how it works. But like I said, can't wait to open it up. What I love is how it takes the guesswork out of things. The LCD screen is nice and big, so you're not squinting to figure out what it's telling you. And it's got 4 different detection modes, which sounds fancy, but really just means it can tell the difference between things like coins, jewelry, and random bottle caps. That's a win if you've ever spent 10 minutes digging up a rusty nail. All right, I'm going to show this in action. I've got a simulated situation here. I'm just going to put some metal down in the form of some coins and this little thing we always get with our furniture when we put it together, right? So this will represent iron or a nail. I'm just going to put that right there. I'm going to put a nickel right there. I'm going to put a penny, a dime, and we'll put a quarter there. All right. Something else I want to note is that they do come with these earphones. So if you really want to listen very carefully without any interruption, you just plug that in right here. But I want you to hear the sound, so we're not going to use the headphones today, but I love that it comes with that. Then they also give you this cute little shovel. That's really extra special, so we won't need that today because we're simulating things. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Nice big display. And let's go over some of the menu items. So notch just means narrowing down what metals you want it to detect or not to detect. Then if we go to the next thing, memory, that's if you want to memorize a certain kind of metal. So you don't have to reprogram it every time. And then the next item is sensitivity. You can go up or down on the sensitivity here. And then the last item is volume, up or down, as you can see. Now, when you sweep, you want to go pretty level to the ground and move slowly. You don't want to do this. That's not how you do it. So we're just going to go slowly. And it's picking up already that piece of iron. And how do we know? Because we're getting the indicator right there. All right, so let's move on to the nickel. And it does indicate we have a nickel. Whoop. Right there. We're getting the nickel indicator. And then the dime. It did accurately predict the dime there. You got a positive on the quarter. Now, as you noticed, every type of metal had a different sound. So after a while, you're not even going to have to look here. You're just going to be able to know by sound. Another feature on here is something called pinpoint. This is if you are finding something, you want to really pinpoint it because it's down a ways and you want to just dig out a whole area. You want to dig down right where it's at. When you use this feature, it basically allows you to continue to narrow down using the rings here and the rings on the coil. It'll indicate where exactly this item is, and then you kind of keep resetting it and it narrows it down every time till you know exactly where the item is. This here tells you how far down you have to dig. So as you can see, this is a great entry-level metal detector. If someone has ever expressed interest in it, this would be a great gift for them. I love it so far. I can't wait to take it out further into the desert. We have all these mines in Arizona, and I'm sure there's things that can be found. So if you're looking for a great metal detector, definitely check this one out.